While I do love summer, summers in the UK are just the worst because as soon as it gets above like, I don't know, 24 degrees, it is hell on earth inside because no one has aircon. Luckily, I bought a fan last year, so I kept that going throughout the night. But A, it doesn't do much apart from like mixing warm air. B, it is really loud, so I couldn't sleep. And C, it got me an eye infection. Right, I teleported myself into my kitchen. Today is actually bank holiday here in the UK. It is Monday, but most people have a day off. So Stella and Jonathan are coming over. It is my turn to host and I already did some cooking. For a starter, I have some olive bread and I think it's called caprese salad or something like that. Just tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. And then for the main, I'm making risotto. I usually make it with chicken and mushrooms, but Stella's not a fan of mushrooms, so I'm replacing the mushrooms with zucchini. I hope it will still taste good. I'm sure it will. I love zucchini as well, by the way. So yeah, I'm just waiting for them to come over now, and then I guess we'll eat. So Stella and Jonathan have arrived. He's trying to read my Slovenian magazine.
It's a bit difficult, but I'll try.
Okay.
Zmotorzen de pamirja in naja. Yeah?
You read that,
What?
which is for
It's
Zmotorjem do Pamirja.
Zmotorjen
Do Pamirja.
do Parmirja in naja.
In Nazar.
In naza. Okay, yeah, it's a bit different, but it's my version of Slovenian.
His version of
I'm not insulting the country, guys. I'm just like,
oh, no,
very bad
kidding.
at this.
Everyone's gonna love you now because Slovenian love when someone reads, you know,
Foreigners
tries
to
to speak
adapt.
Slovene.
Like in Slovenian, be Slovenian, right?
Yeah.
Adapting the Roman saying, but.
Oh,
Ena
dear.
sama velika druzina. No, but it's very beautiful.
Wait, what did it say? Oh, ena sama velika družina.
Okay, you're very similar.
You were quite close.
Yeah.
You were quite
I'm
close.
very proud.
Here's my risotto. The presentation isn't as nice as Jonathan's pasta the other week, but it's fine. No, it's a bit bland. I feel like because I normally make it with mushroom, and that gives a little bit more taste, but it's not the worst, I guess. I don't know. It's fine.
No, it's good. Come on. It tastes
Okay,
very
good. So we didn't have enough rice for lunch, so we're gonna have more for dessert. But Jonathan has been to Thailand, and apparently sticky rice with mango, whatever, is a really popular dessert there, and apparently it tastes really nice, so he's gonna make some for us.
By far the best dessert in the world, so.
Okay. I just cannot see it being the best dessert in the world, but
Trust me.
I'm
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Unless I mess it up, like somehow.
okay, we'll see. I'll
quite
report.
easy, so I'll just follow the instructions.
Okay, we'll report.
Which men don't normally do, but yeah, I'll follow it.
Okay, so here's our sticky rice, the moment of truth. Let's try it out.
It's not the best dessert in the world.
Stella said it's not the best dessert in the world. Okay, let me try it.
That was a really big statement.
It's good.
Basically, it's not the best dessert in the world. It is. For me, it's like hands down. But we had too much rice today, so it might be bad.
Yeah, we had too much rice. No, it is good, but I wouldn't call it the best dessert in the world. Maybe in Thailand, because they don't know how to make like cakes and stuff.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. And they use rice for everything, so.
Yeah, true. No, it is good though. Right guys, I am back in the kitchen today. I know it seems like my life revolves around food. I swear it doesn't. I mean, maybe it does. Basically, my life right now is just work, food, Netflix. Fun stuff is coming our way in the next couple of weeks, so fear not, my vlogs will get more exciting, I can promise you that. But yeah, today I thought I would vlog in the kitchen again because I'm making something really delicious that I haven't made in like 4 years. I'm basically making some shrimps, or prawns as they call them in the UK, and I will be following my dad's recipe, which I've actually posted on my blog before. So you can find it there as well. Here it is. My blog is called The Puzzle of Sandra's Life, and the article is called Recipe, My Dad's Shrimps. So yeah, let's follow the recipe and I'll vlog along the way, I guess. In here, I first mixed half a bulb of garlic, I crushed it. I'm not sure if I was supposed to crush it or just like cut it into really tiny pieces, but what's done is done. Then I also put in a handful of parsley and 1 teaspoon of herbs de Provence, 1 teaspoon of vegeta, which is a Balkan thing, but it's basically just dried up veggies. And I also put in a little bit of olive oil. Here's a little paste now, but now I'm gonna move over to the actual prawns. Here we have a large skillet that I covered with olive oil. The whole bottom has to be covered. And then for shrimps, make sure they aren't frozen. They actually have to be cooked and defrosted. So yeah, basically you have to keep them in the fridge in the meantime if you are taking them from the freezer. And then you just pour them in and fry them on each side for like 5 minutes until they are done. And the oil is going crazy, so I need to put this down. Here's the current state of the shrimps. The next step is actually wine. You pour in some white dry wine. Now I am completely and utterly clueless about wine because I don't drink it, and there wasn't much information about it online because I was like making an online order. So I just went with what the research told me should be the best option, which is Pinot Grigio, or however it is pronounced. And I just saw that. I think I made a really good decision because it says that it's a crisp dry one with delicate peach flavors and 2 on like the dryness scale. So good job, Sandra. But I'm gonna pour in, I think maybe 1/4 or 1/3 of this bottle and cover the skillet. The wine is going in. That's enough. The lid is going on. And now you leave it for about 5 minutes. And then you uncover this and you leave it for, I don't know, additional couple of minutes so that the wine evaporates completely. And now the final step, you add this to the prawns. You squeeze in a little bit of lemon over the top and then season it with pepper and leave it for another few minutes for it to, you know, cook in like the mixture, I guess. And voila, here's the finished result with some potatoes as well. I can already tell this won't taste as good as when my dad makes them because I think I over-fried things a little bit, but fingers crossed they taste at least half as good. If I had to rate these, I would probably give them a 2 out of 10. So not good. No, they were fine, but yeah, just not comparable at all. And I don't think it was just my fault because the prawns itself were like a lot less meaty compared to the ones we have back home and quite chewy. And again, a lot of them were like full of eggs, which is really annoying. This has happened to me the last time, like the whole batch that I bought was full of eggs. Now a little less of them were like that, but still, I didn't sign up for that. So overall, this lunch, which is usually my favorite lunch ever, has been a bit of a fail. So I don't think I'll be eating prawns here anymore. I think I'll just have to wait until I get to go home and my dad makes some for me. Oh well. I'm completely over the moon today because we're having some lovely summery weather. It is 25 degrees outside. There's sunshine, it's Sunday, and yeah, it couldn't be a better day for a picnic, so that's what I'm gonna go do. Yeah, go closer.
Yeah, go closer. Go.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye. Right, I think that's it for today's vlog. So my pimples, my infected eyes, and I are gonna say goodbye to you. I have hay fever, like a really bad hay fever. So I've been really struggling this week. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to watch more of my videos. And I'll see you guys sometime next week. I'm gonna try to upload a video on Wednesday as well, like I've been doing for the past couple of weeks. But I don't promise anything because I've had a very busy schedule and next week will be pretty busy as well. But I will vlog everything, so at least you're gonna see that on Sunday. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking.